Hello, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to get an Apache and a MySQL server with easy-php package. This is a good program if you want to have an Apache server. Alright, so go to easy-php.org and here you can see what sort of version in this package. So you get phpMyAdmin to edit your database and MySQL server, a PHP running environment with an Apache. Right, so go to downloads and select this package. Right, save it into your desktop or somewhere. It takes about 1 minute, so don't worry about it. It's a little program. So the program down, right? So open it. And this is a very easy installation method. Next, style installation. Agree with the agreements and use next. That is finished, right? Now open, for example, a total commander and go to program files and go to that folder, easy-php. This is it. And you can see here what sort of files in it. If you installed easy-php, after installation that will run easy-php. So if you see that in your toolbar, this is a little icon called easy-php. So let's click into easy-php, and as you can see, the Apache server is running, but the MySQL not. So click here, and here you could restart or stop the running. Alright, so when you see into easy-php folder, there is nothing in www folder. If you create a new file called index.php, that will be your first program. So start a new PHP block and write your first program, which will print, for example, something, and close the PHP block and save it. Close that file, and if you go here into this easy-php icon, right click and local web. That means with the browser that will go to localhost and that will run your first program. But you must add the name index.php. So let's try it. It is a usually thing if another Apache is running. Let's kill it. As you can see, two Apache server was running. So let's start it. And I kill Apache and MySQL. If you restart it, it's working. So that was a little troubleshoot to kill your previous Apache server if you use multiple servers. So, and another thing, if you want to use your MySQL, and if you see into www folder and there is no phpMyAdmin, let's copy into your www folder, and if you go to that location, phpMyAdmin, MyAdmin will here. You could choose your database or create a new one. For example, my local database. Create it, and there is no table in, so let's create one. Its name is T, and two fields in it. First, for example, an ID, and the second is name. So that is the method how you could create your new tables. And this is the index page of your PHP MyAdmin. And in privileges, you could see the root user, which host is localhost, and there is no password. If you want to add new user, username, for example, test, and use the local, the password is test. And these are the privileges. The user could select, insert, update, and so on. Go. Alright, so for example, test, and rewrite the password. So this is it. In the privileges, you could add several users. Right? So that was the basics, and run your first program. This is your first program that is printing something. If you create another folders, for example, this, and copy that index.php into that folder and use that location, and that is another program. So you might use this method when you create your programs to put into folders and so on. So let's start your programming, and thank you for your attention and good luck.